Welcome back. Now we're ready to explore the icons and symbols. When you complete your profile, return to the home screen and tap the request icon at the bottom. This area will reflect an overview of pending and established connections as time goes on. With established connections, you can tap the blue message button, which will appear, to send a text or make a phone or video call. However, if the recipient of this communication isn't actively logged into the Mentor and Match app, he or she won't become aware of your outreach attempt until eventually logging in and seeing a notification through the bell symbol on your home screen in the top right. This is why it's important to open the Mentor and Match app and check your notifications at least twice a day during the week, preferably in the morning and afternoon. Also keep in mind that anyone can reject a connection request. If a connection request is rejected, it is hoped that the person receiving the request will type a brief and respectful rationale for that rejection. Mentors, like mentees, are busy people. Many mentors may only have availability to partner with 1, 2, or 3 mentees each semester. So it's important for mentees not to become discouraged easily as they search for a mentor. Next to the requests icon is the calendar icon that captures all months. Tap it. In the top right corner is a square symbol with a plus sign in it. Tap on this to send a meeting invitation to an established connection. You can propose an audio meeting, think traditional phone call, or video meeting, a video call in the request. The word bubble symbol with a camera in it, which is right to the square symbol with a plus sign in it, is how you can start a phone or video call within the app. As you can see with this profile, there are no meetings scheduled at this time and no communication requests accordingly. While phone or video calls are often scheduled in advance, you can text an established connection immediately. The final icon at the bottom of the screen is the chat icon, which provides access to your messaging history with established connections. You can respond to the messages left here with a text, phone call, video call, or by adding an attachment. Again, unless the recipient of your communication is actively logged into the Mentor and Match app, he or she will not be aware of it until logging back in. As we close this video tutorial, let's return to 2 icons briefly. Tap the home icon. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a magnifying glass symbol used primarily to search for mentors and mentees by name, a bell symbol next to it, which indicates any notifications to read that come from Mentor and Match, CSN, mentors, or mentees, and a wheelchair symbol next to that bell symbol, which captures a listing of accessible or available mentors, peer mentors, and mentees. In returning to the profile icon, you'll see a gear or cog symbol at the top right of the screen. This leads you to settings within the app. Many of the selection options below are self-explanatory from their title. Selection options worth pointing out are mentor or mentee resources, depending on the type of user you are, which provides a list of helpful videos, websites, and urgent help hotlines. Also under mentor or mentee resources is a mentor training or mentee training video series, again, depending on the type of user you are. Both video series capture best practices in mentoring from mentor and mentee perspectives. You're strongly encouraged to watch them, especially if you're new to a mentoring experience. Further down, My College Resources is a link to the CSN Guide. The CSN Guide is a multilingual, AI-powered tool that answers most CSN-related questions and provides contact information for many basic needs resources in the greater Las Vegas area. The CSN Guide is a great campus resource for repeated reference. At the bottom of the selection options are invisible status and fingerprint. Sliding the invisible status selection to the right prevents anyone but established connections from seeing you. This can be helpful to keep on if you're no longer accepting connection requests. The fingerprint selection beneath it enables people with a touch screen to log on to the app through a biometric scan of your fingerprint. With this function enabled, it allows you to enter the app without typing your email address and password each time, and then awaiting a verification code to be sent to your CSN email account. This concludes the video navigation tutorial. Email career services at career.services@csn.edu with any Mentor and Match app technical issues, and type, quote, Mentor and Match troubleshooting, unquote, in the subject line. And it's worth repeating. Open your Mentor and Match app at least twice a day during the week to check for any notifications. On behalf of Mentoring Moments, best wishes toward productive and meaningful connection.